Getting Things Done, The Art of Stress-Free Productivity is a productivity and self-help book written by David Allen. The book, first published in 2001, provides a comprehensive system for organizing and managing tasks to increase productivity and reduce stress. Here is a detailed summary. Introduction. David Allen begins by highlighting the overwhelming nature of modern life and work, emphasizing the need for a comprehensive and effective system to manage tasks. He introduces the core principle of the book, the importance of getting everything out of your head and into a trusted external system. 5 stages of mastering workflow. Capture. Allen emphasizes the importance of capturing all tasks, ideas, and commitments into an external system. This could involve writing them down on paper, using digital tools, or a combination of both. Clarify. Once everything is captured, the next step is to clarify the nature of each item. Allen introduces the concept of breaking down tasks into actionable items and deciding the next steps required. Organize. The organized system involves creating lists and categories for different types of tasks. Allen introduces the idea of contexts, where tasks are grouped based on the tools or location required to complete them. Reflect. Regular reflection is essential to ensure that tasks and projects are aligned with one's priorities. Allen recommends reviewing your system regularly to maintain a clear perspective on your commitments. Engage. The final stage involves making choices on what to work on based on context, time available, energy levels, and priorities. The goal is to engage with tasks in a systematic and stress-free manner. Key principles and techniques. Next actions. The concept of next actions is central to Allen's methodology. Instead of listing vague tasks, identify specific, actionable steps that move a project forward. Projects. Allen defines a project as anything that requires more than one action step to complete. Properly defining and organizing projects is crucial for effective task management. Contexts. Contexts involve categorizing tasks based on the tools, location, or people needed to complete them. This helps in selecting the most appropriate tasks based on the current situation. Weekly review. Regular reviews are essential for maintaining the integrity of the system. Allen recommends a weekly review to reassess commitments, update lists, and ensure everything is in order. Someday, maybe list. This list contains ideas or tasks that are not currently actionable but might be considered in the future. It serves as a holding place for potential future projects. Benefits. By implementing the Getting Things Done (GTD) system, individuals can experience reduced stress, increased productivity, improved focus, and better decision-making. Conclusion. Getting Things Done provides a comprehensive and flexible approach to task management. It is designed to adapt to various work and life situations, offering a systematic way to approach tasks that fosters stress-free productivity. David Allen's methodology has gained widespread popularity and has been implemented by individuals and organizations worldwide.